Alright, what's up, YouTubers? That's what I usually say, so I'll just roll with it. Anyways, this is the completion of my war dog. Well, at least for now, I guess I should say. Yeah, it's pretty much got everything that I think I want to buy for it on it right now. The only other thing that I foresee myself doing in the future, not anytime soon, I would like to do a engine swap and get the 426F engine in there and get that 366 out of there. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with everything, at least for how I wanted it to be. You know, I mainly trail ride, and I trail ride pretty hard, and I occasionally race it, but going into a race I know I'm not going to do the best. It is a warrior after all. Not knocking on them, but you know, it's the reality of it. But this is it. Last video I posted, I had pretty much all the new parts on. It just wasn't all together. So this is it all together. Flex bars are on. Got the yellow elastomers in there now. Haven't ridden with them yet, but it should be a weird feeling for a little bit until I get the hang of it. For headlights, I got these halogens, and they're just in a plastic case, but they're not like a cheap case. The front, they don't really fall apart, or I'm hoping they won't. And I just made this bracket, the Dremel, painted it, mounted it up there, right in between where the risers meet the anti-vibe on the Lone Star. So it's kind of cool. Just 2 bolts and these quick connects here will take the lights off. This is all ripped apart because I have to put a kill switch on still, and that was my old place I had it tapped into. I'm going to tap it a little bit lower and tape all that up. I got the BRP mounts for the flex bar so I can run my hand guards, which is cool. Kind of a pricey part, but I found them on Fleabay for a good price. Got it like that. Yeah, I think you guys probably already, geez, I can't talk. You guys probably pretty much already know about all my other parts. I got the PRM wide, I think it's called the Desert Bar, on there. What did I do under here? Just a new battery. Got that box. Got a filter for it finally. And new battery. One that actually is meant for it. Right size, it fits. I was forever running battery that was a little bit too small, and it would flop around in that box, and I was always breaking connect points and stuff, and it was just a pain in the ass. So went out and got a new battery. It was a smart decision, probably. Oh, put a fuel filter. Finally put a fuel filter on it. So I've been meaning to do that. Finally got around and did it. Probably have already done damage from not running one, but you know, better late than never, I guess they say. Yeah. The floats need to be rebuilt. I have to send those out. They're a little noisy. You can hear them. I think it's this one more so than the other, but they still have plenty of rebound and they hold air just fine. It's just a little bit more noise than I'd like to hear. I got the Zerk fitting ends in on all 4. The front end's real nice and tight now, which will come in handy. Memorial Day weekend is this weekend, so I'm doing this video now in case I bring it back and something's broken or mangled or whoever God only knows what the hell is going to happen down there Memorial Day weekend. It's always a crazy good time. But for now, here it is. It's finished. It obviously needs detailed and cleaned and what have you, but I'll do that, detail it, take some pictures of it, and be done with it for a while. I got some other projects I need to work on. My Jeep, the 550, needs some help. So, I think I'm done with it. I'll start it up though. Hopefully it'll start right up. I don't know. I had to put on a new pulsar coil. So, got that on, and I got the fire right up the other day. At least the lights are on. Hopefully it'll fire up again. Well, kinda wants to. It's hard with one hand. Turn the idle up. Come on. There we go. I think it looks pretty badass, but that's just my personal preferences, I guess. For a warrior, you know? Should always use that as my statement when I talk about my four-wheeler. It's cool for a warrior. It's pretty fast for a warrior. But, you know, I make the most of it. I love it. I guess that's all that really matters. There it is. Oh, one thing I might do, I've been considering, is to change my cam. Right now I have a 430 Power Roll race cam in it. It's a huge cam, too big for me and the way that I ride it. When I bought it and did the original engine build, I had a good price on it, and it was an upgraded cam, so I thought, you know, it'd be a good decision. But I've since learned that it's too big of a cam, and I've known that. I have to clutch it sometimes and, you know, throttle it out on certain hill climbs and stuff. So I'm gonna sort of downgrade, I guess you would say, but not necessarily downgrade, to a Megacycle 390 or the 415. And yeah, then other than that, I'm done. It's got everything else. Do need a rear skid, but nothing major. Alright guys, take it easy and have fun. Later.